More Black Friday deals are here. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. By subscribe and like, so help out this channel by doing so. Alright, to start here with the $29.97 for this job site speaker. This is a Megabass LED. Yes, I don't think this is gonna blow, it's gonna be hit hard or anything. It's gonna sound loud. It's just gonna sound like a normal speaker box or smaller stuff. It is very light. It's only 20 watts, I believe. So just keep that in mind whenever you're buying something like this. Very inexpensive. $6.98 for the 5000 mAh Pocket Juice portable power bank. This is great for backup for a cell phone or if you're in the woods and stuff like that. 404, down from 449. They already sold out on this one. 60 volt combo kit. I got $99 your 270 piece mechanics tool set. It's a pretty nice complete kit. It does have a lot of filler. Yes, it does have a lot of little bits and pieces. L wrenches, some sockets, 3/8, quarter inch, half an inch, and then some more sockets over here. But yes, you guys do see it does have a lot of filler, so just keep that in mind when you're buying this. Not necessarily a lot of tools, but you're getting a lot of little bits here. So alright, so this one you get a compact folding utility knife for $6.97. It's not a bad deal. It looks really nice. Kind of like the fastback style, the quick change blade. Got the tape measures, the 25 footer for $7.97, and the screwdriver. That's a pretty nice screwdriver with the rubber grip. It is a 6-in-1, so it does include some blades in there. And that is the tape measure. Alright, so this is the gift center section that they call. So we're going to go over some of the items. $24.88 for the 6-piece trigger clamp set. This is not a bad little deal here for this trigger clamp. It's for lighter duty jobs. If you guys are doing cabinetry work, you might want to invest into the metal ones. These don't have a lot of strength. The metal ones do, so keep that in mind when you're buying them. You got the safety glasses. They got fog-free safety glasses, especially for the winter. $14.97. You got the spot and flood headlamp. $29.88. Here's an example of it, if I can get it to turn on. But yeah, it does have spot and flood, two different lights. And then we got the 2-pack of lumen pen light there at the bottom. So that is both. That is so small. It does have low, medium, and yeah, and it does have just different options. $29.88 and $34.88 for the bigger one. You got 16 gauge angled finish nailer from DeWalt, $2.99. I don't know if these are still hackable online, so keep that in mind. $49.88 for the mobile battery jump starter. A lot of you keep saying that these jump starters suck, so I haven't used them myself. Let us know down in the comment section if you guys use them. What's your experience with any of those brands, Home Depot or Power Packs from other stores. 70-piece impact drive set. It's actually a pretty nice set. Does include some nut drivers, socket adapter, a bit holder, a bunch of 1-inch bits, stars, Phillips. You got a dual port charger, $99 with a 2 amp hour. It looks like a 2 amp hour battery. So that's pretty nice. It's one of the newer ones that they have out. So dual port charger. And then you got the battery charge time there, 60 minutes, 80 minutes for the bigger ones. $29.88 for the premium electrical test kit. Exclusive. Now this is something you should have at every house. Just you want to test if your outlets are good or not, and if you hear or if you break them or hear something weird that you shouldn't be hearing or something on the electrical outlets, then it's a good thing to test them or have something like that. 232 gear wrench piece, 232 piece. This is a really nice set. It does have a lot of bits. A lot of wrenches. I believe those are ratcheting wrenches if I'm looking at it correctly. 1688 2-pack of jab saw. And then you have the spring assist pocket knife and utility knife. That's a really nice set. I do own that knife. That's a really nice knife. I still have it from last year. 129 for the atomic circular saw or the reciprocating saw. So that's a really nice compact circular saw. And then you got the 3-piece adjustable wrench. I ended up picking myself the locking pliers set and the adjustable wrench set for $13.97. That's a good price. Groove joint set, that's a nice price too for that one. $14.97. That's the larger one. Got the 6-in-1 multi-function pliers. Alright, so you got the buy one, get one free. So $3.99 will get you 2 free tools. You got the $169 kit will get you 1 free tool. And $269 impact wrench, which is a killer deal, will get you 1 free tool. If you guys hack that drops down to $161, I believe. So guys, that's a really, really good deal, killer deal. And Makita is running the same thing. Actually, other brands are running the same thing. I'm just going to show you guys Makita and DeWalt, or not DeWalt, Ridgid. You got $3.99. You get 2 free tools. Those are top of the line hammer drill and impact driver. Or you can get the $1.99 Makita 2 5-amp-hour batteries and get a free tool. There's a lot of good tools to choose from, especially that X-Lock, the X-Lock angle grinder, the ratchet, the jigsaw, the blower, everything. Everything's good. So that is the kit that you have to buy so you can get 2 free tools. Again, these are top of the line Makita tools. You got 290 piece mechanics tool set. This one's $179. This one's bigger than the other one. You guys do get confused. You guys keep telling me in the comments, oh, it's cheaper over there, it's cheaper, what's cheaper? Well, it's actually a different kit. So these are all different kits at different prices. This is a much bigger kit, and this one does not have a lot of fillers, so just keep that in mind. Well, it does have some L wrenches, 40 of them, and 28 screwdriver bits. Alright, so $49.97, 94 piece mechanics tool set. It does have a lot of sockets. You got a ratchet there, looks like a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 ratchet. Some hex keys. Alright, so this one's a smaller stubby tool set, 46 piece, $19.97. This is great for somebody that does not have any tools at all and they just want something smaller. Alright, so they got the buy one get one free. Yes, buy one or buy two get one free. So these are different, guys. These are different than the other ones. So you do have to buy 2 different tools and get those 2-pack of 6-amp-hour batteries for free. It's basically like the same thing we saw before, that you buy one get one free, but you do have to buy the 2 and get the batteries for free. So you can get the nailer for $3.79. You can get the rear handle circular saw, $2.79. The rotary SDS hammer, $2.49. Or you can get the rocket light, $2.29. The chainsaw for $3.29. That's a good deals to pick up. And then you got, looks like a 7-tool combo kit for $4.99. Those are brush tools. You get a high torque impact wrench kit for $1.99 with the ratchet. So that's nice. It is the older impact wrench. It's not the fuel. Those are the batteries you're gonna get for free. $279 value if you buy 2 of those tools. You got the reciprocating saw for $1.99. You got the impact wrench, the SDS hammer, the circular saw, and then you do have the chainsaw at the bottom. It's hard to see. Rear handle circular saw. That's the impact wrench and the ratchet. Got the oscillating tool kits, $99. That's a good, really good price on that one. If you guys are looking to get into that line, that's a really good price. And it is the kit. It does come with the battery and charger. $24.97 for the compact organizer 2.0 Pro Gear. So these are compatible with their Pro Gear modular storage system from Rigid, the black boxes. So with these, so keep that in mind when you're buying this. Now this is a really good deal. This is I believe $140 total for all three pieces. So that's a killer deal on this one. Great value on 2.0 boxes, Rigid 2.0. And then you got the tow system 2.0 at $199 with the organizer, a large toolbox, and a rolling toolbox. So it's a pretty good deal on this one. Pretty sweet deal. The weld is actually pretty solid. Got some nice latches, some organizers, smaller bends on the inside. They are removable in case you want to put your tools in there or whatever you want to put, so you can remove those bends. And that's the bottom pieces. Alright, so they got the drawer, the tow system drawer module for $99. That's it right there. It is compatible with the rolling toolbox we just saw. Some nice drawers. Then you got the tow system 2.0. This is the mechanics tool sets. 72 tooth ratchet. We got a whole bunch of sockets. Direct torque technology. 5-degree arc swing. Connect and carry and store. So those are it. That's what it comes with the kits. That's pretty nice. 131 piece, 1/4 inch, 3/8 and SAE. You got $99 for the subcompact 1/2 inch drill driver kits. That's a nice deal there for a drill driver. It is brushless, subcompact. I do have this thing. This thing's a beast for the size, for what it is, the size. So it's not comparable to a full size. $149 for the 3-ton low profile jack. That's a nice deal. And then you got the jack stands, which I think it's a much better deal. Not even Harbor Freight has them at $29. So keep that in mind when you're buying those. You got the 2-piece folding sporting knife and sharpener for $7.88. It's a nice deal if you're looking for a sharpener. The Atomic Series. This is impact driver and drill driver. That's what it comes in the box. You got 2 batteries in a bag. This is actually a pretty nice tool. The tools are great. A really nice, really compact, really lightweight. It does have 2-speed. Really basic tool. It has everything that you need in here. The only problem is the batteries. They don't have a fuel gauge, but still pretty nice. Left you guys the audio so you guys will hear these. And this is the Joby. So very competitors. A little bigger, bulkier tool. Battery is a little bulkier, but they seem to be, doing their job. $199, and then $149 for the. I would definitely go for the DeWalt if you can. That's a really good deal. This one does come with the circular saw, oscillating tool, and reciprocator saw. A light, a charger, and an impact driver. Alright, so they got some deals here. This is DeWalt. They got some new DeWalt deals. This is not the power detector, it's the FlexVolt. So $169 for the circular saw, the angle grinder, or the reciprocating saw. $249 for the whole hog, or stud and joist drill that they call it. You got impact driver and hammer drill for $319. And then you got the kits for the same, for the FlexVolt. With the 9-amp-hour battery, $269. That's the stud and joist. That's a 9 and a 6-amp-hour battery, a 2-pack, for $249. These are all FlexVolts. And you got this kit. This is actually a pretty nice kit. It does include all top of the line DeWalt tools, including that hammer drill. And you're getting a 2/4, a light impact driver and hammer drill, circular saw and reciprocating saw, and a nice 2.0 tough system case, rolling tool case, compatible with other platform. So that's the impact driver and drill driver kits for $319. That is a circular saw with the 9 amp hour battery, $269. And you got the angle grinder for $269 with the 9 amp hour battery. And then you got the reciprocating saw there for $269 with a 9 amp hour battery. And then if you guys want the bare tools, you guys could get them for $169 each. That's a circular saw. That's it for today, guys. Just a short video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.